Let's have an example, a practice, let's say, of the self-presentation stage for the Wizz Camping Crew Open Days. Good morning. My name is Konstantinos. My surname is Konstantinou. My candidate number is the number 3. I have chosen to apply for the role of camping crew from curiosity, in order for me to be able to find from a first perspective the ins and outs of the particular profession. In addition, I will have the opportunity to network with professionals from the aviation industry, and I will have the opportunity to greet and service unique individuals from unique backgrounds. I have 5 years of customer support experience working in the roles of the buffet waiter, the bar waiter, the food runner, the bar runner, the call center agent, and the flexible retail store assistant. My dream travel destination is to travel to Athens, a city well known for the ancient monuments. My academic credentials includes a high school diploma and a bachelor's degree from a reputable private university of Cyprus. In my spare time, I like to attend the gym in order for me to be able to keep and maintain a fit and healthy body. In addition, I like to read books and travel, especially in the summer period. Concluding, I would like to thank you for your humble attention. And this is a simple self-introduction for the self-presentation stage of the Wizz Camping Crew Open Days.